If you calculate your score wrong, upload the wrong documents, or apply 1 day late, Nelson Mandela University can reject your application automatically. You cannot afford to guess your way through this process. This is your complete no-nonsense checklist for submitting your 2027 university application correctly the first time. Grab your documents, open your browser, and let us make sure you don't miss your opportunity. Before applying, you must calculate your NMU applicant score correctly, because this determines whether you qualify for your course. Life orientation is completely excluded from the calculation. Add together your top 6 approved subjects only. For example, if you scored 60% in 6 subjects, your total applicant score becomes 360 points out of 600. Compare this number directly against your course requirements before submitting anything. Do not assume you qualify just because your average looks good. If you attended a quintile 1, 2, or 3 school, NMU may automatically award you bonus adjustment points. To qualify for this consideration, you normally need at least 50% for life orientation. These extra points can improve your competitiveness for limited space qualifications like accounting, engineering, or health sciences. Always check your faculty requirements carefully, because some programs remain highly competitive even with adjustment points. One of the biggest mistakes students make is waiting for final matric results before applying. You do not need to wait. NMU accepts applications using your grade 11 final report, together with your latest available grade 12 marks. Your final matric results are submitted later, automatically through the Department of Basic Education system. Applying early gives you a much better chance at competitive programs and student housing. Before opening the application portal, prepare every required document in digital format. You need clear PDF copies of your certified ID, your grade 11 final report, and your latest grade 12 results. International students must prepare passport documents instead of a South African ID. If you are younger than 18 years old, you may also need certified parent or guardian identification documents. Avoid blurry cell phone photos because unreadable uploads can delay or reject your application completely. Applying online through the official NMU admissions portal is free for most South African applicants. International applicants usually pay a non-refundable application fee before processing begins. Never use unofficial agents or random social media pages claiming they can guarantee acceptance, because the official university portal is the only secure application method. Write these closing dates down immediately, because missing them can cost you an entire academic year. Competitive health qualifications like pharmacy and radiography usually close far earlier than general programs. Residence applications also close separately, and many students forget to apply for accommodation while focusing only on academics. If you need university housing, submit both applications as early as possible, because space fills up quickly. The portal normally allows a limited number of qualification choices. Your first choice should be your dream qualification. Your second option should be a realistic backup course with slightly lower admission requirements. Many students make the mistake of choosing 2 highly competitive programs and end up rejected from both. Certain qualifications require more than school marks alone. Creative programs like architecture, interior design, fine arts, or visual arts may require a portfolio of evidence, practical submissions, auditions, or interviews. Some departments also request additional assessments before final acceptance. Never assume your online application alone completes the process for these qualifications. When creating your profile, use a working cell phone number and email address that you check regularly. Your OTP verification codes, login details, updates, and admission communication will be sent there. Many students accidentally lose access to their application simply because they typed the wrong email or forgot their password. After submitting, save your reference number immediately. This is extremely important because many students confuse a reference number with a student number. Your application reference only confirms submission. A student number is usually issued later once your application enters processing or acceptance stages. Do not panic if you receive a reference number first, but no student number yet. Once processing begins, Regularly track your status through the NMU portal. Your application may move through stages like received, in process, provisionally admitted, or decision made. Provisional acceptance does not always mean final acceptance, because your final matric results still need to meet the program requirements. Finally, if you plan to apply for financial aid like National Student Financial Aid Scheme funding, do not wait for university acceptance before preparing your NSFAS application. University admission and student funding are separate processes, and many students lose funding opportunities simply because they apply too late. If you follow every step carefully, apply early, upload correct documents, and choose realistic course options, you massively improve your chances of securing your place at Nelson Mandela University for 2027.